Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a face-off between Remini and Speechelo. Speechelo. Now, this is an AI face-off and photo enhancer versus voice generator. What do I mean? AI can now fix your photos and your voice, but which tool does it better? Remini sharpens images, Speechelo generates voices. Let's compare these AI powerhouses. Now, when it comes to what it does, Remini transforms blurry photos into high definition, while Speechelo, S-P-E-E-C-H-E-L-O, Speechelo converts text into natural sounding speech. When it comes to what they are best for, Remini is best for restoring old photos and enhancing selfies, while Speechelo is best for YouTube voiceovers, podcasts, and ads. When it comes to AI magic, Remini has AI photo enhancement and face repair, while Speechelo has about 30 plus human-like voice tones. When it comes to free options, Remini has a limited free enhancement option, while Speechelo has no free voice generation. When it comes to pricing, Remini is about $6 to $20 a month, a week for subscription, $6 to $20 a week for subscription, while Speechelo you pay a one-time fee of $47 with upsells. It also has upsells. When it comes to viral use, Remini old photo revival trends, while Speechelo makes any text sound like pro. When it comes to their downside, Remini has a free version, like I said earlier, but it has watermark on the free version, while for Speechelo, the voices can sound robotic. So who wins? It depends on you. Pick Remini if you want to turn grainy pics into crystal clear memories, and choose Speechelo if you need quick, affordable voiceovers. Remini AI selfie features is crazy good, and Speechelo's breathing effect adds realism. So why don't you just use both? Hope you found this video helpful.